In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate a video from the audio in Canva. First, add a video to your design. You can do it by choosing a video from the Elements tab or upload your own file from your computer. For this demonstration, I'll just use this video. Then you can adjust the size of the video like this. Next, to separate the video from the audio, just right-click the video, then choose Extract Audio. After you click it, you will see the audio timeline appears right underneath the video timeline. Now you can choose whether you want to delete the video and only use the audio, or if you want to delete the audio, then keep the video mute or voice over it. So that's how you can separate a video from the audio in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.